Alright guys, if I hear little muffles, that's my background. It's a little bit busy. Now this, you guys have been asking about this grey hair, and I'm gonna tell you, but first of all, this is my third time filming about this grey hair. My third time. The first time, my clothes weren't right, and my bra was showing. Second time, I shouldn't have been filming in that area. This is my third time, but this hair is called Agnes, and this is from Diva Tress Wigs. Now you guys know they're the ones who brought you, me, us, that beautiful blonde curly wig and that gorgeous curly, what's it like, bronzy type of wig, bronzy, but like brownie wig. Oh my goodness. So this hair, her name is Agnes, and this, I chose this color. Me choose that color here because the color here is very up. It is very up, miss. I love it. I cannot tell you how much compliments I get whenever I wear this hair, and it's mostly men. Now I'm wondering, but I love this hair. It is Brazilian human hair, and from the clip that I don't want to use, I'll try and insert, yeah, it's in my pink hair. I'll try and insert some how the hair came. But this is the wig called Agnes. It has like it comes pre-parted. Can you see my pink hair from there? I think you can. But it comes pre-parted, and I love it. I love it so much. All I did when I put it on was just like, cause it's already styled. So where the pieces were just a little bit too long, I probably cut 2 or 3 pieces just to fit, and that was it. I didn't do a lot of tweaking at all to this hair, to this wig. I love this hair gone to bed. It's absolutely gorgeous. It moves so nice. It doesn't feel stiff. Now remember the brown hair that I had? No, that brown hair doesn't move as nicely as this, and I guess because this is Brazilian hair, it says Brazilian hair on it. The other hair, it didn't say anything like that, so I'm assuming that this has like some human hair tendencies. I don't know, but I love it. Oh, you see the lighting changing? I'm using natural light, so I don't have my studio lights with me, so the lighting just changed, which I'm not mad about. But this is the hair, you guys. This is the hair. Is how it's looking. I'll have all the info posted in the description bar below. Will you be seeing this hair again? Yes, you will, because this hair is bae, this hair is life, this hair is everything. Please check out Diva Tress. Everything linked in the description bar below for you guys. Check them out. This hair is completely affordable. That's what I love about Diva Tress, because you guys know I don't do synthetic hair. I do mostly virgin hair, and it's just a breath of fresh air for me to actually go out of my comfort zone, to actually try more affordable hair, to actually try more affordable good hair. I love it. 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 Alright, I won't go anymore. I don't go any longer about Agnes. Just know say Agnes thing turn up, and here what, and me a great grandmother. Great grandmother realness. I'm done. Bye guys.